Now there are lots of ways we can do the head, but I'm going to stick to a very, very simple method. My reason is quite simple. I want to show you something else in the program. So I pick up my fill tool and I put a node on the screen. I'm going to press my F3 key. There's my F3 key. That's where my first node is going to be. And I go to Shape, Ellipse, 8 elements. And I never get it in the right place. And I say that, 2 elements. OK. Finish object. And I move it. And pull it into shape. There's probably a better way of doing it than this, but I don't use these shapes very often, but I wanted to show you how you can make use of features that are in the program. Pull that down there. And then tell that, edit. Right. That was the first node over here somewhere, which means I'm going to have a jump. So I really need to make that start point here. And I want my fill end point where? Up the top. Okay, P key, move my mouse, and I want that at about, yeah, that will do nicely, not 90, but 85. And tell that, generate stitches. Okay. Now it's telling me I've got to jump. So I want to see where the jump is, and the easiest way is to say create connection. There it is. And I'm going to leave that one in. I don't normally use connections. I prefer to travel. But having to mess around with the shape to get my start node with that start node is going to be a bit of a nightmare. So it's like I've got a little jump there, which is on there, and it's the minuscule jump. It's not even the size of a node. So that can stay where it is. And before I go any further, I'm going to tell that, save, highlight the face, and carve. Where's it gone? There it is. The smile. First the dimples. Tell that, finish object. Generate stitches. Now please generate between each carve. Okay. Smile. That's the dimples. Generate stitches. Sometimes if you don't generate in between each of your carve lines, they will not register. Carve. And I want to go from the center of the smile line. Now, will I be able to get away with this? Yes. And there's the curve for the smile, right in the center there. And will I get away with this one? Yes. Generate stitches. Okay, click off. And let's go and take a look in 3D. There you go. It looks like big, thick, rubbery lips. Oh, I don't know. Looks like a fish. I'm really not that keen on the carve tool. I much prefer to do a cut and join because you don't get these great big long elongated stitches or the very short stitches. Although I have to confess, when it's stitched, it doesn't look as bad as that. Right. In the next video, we will deal with the eyes, the nose, and the division in his muzzle. So I'll see you in the next video.